Hey everyone, so this is part 2 of our Shillong trip, and today we are heading towards something truly mystical, Mawphlong Sacred Forest. I absolutely love places that have mystery, history and untold stories. और जब मैंने सुना कि यहाँ से एक पत्ता भी ले जाना मना है, I was honestly very curious. सच कहूँ तो थोड़ा एक्साइटमेंट था और थोड़ा सा सस्पेंस भी. So let's explore the sacred forest together. So guys, just to give you exact location, Mawphlong Sacred Forest is in the East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya and it's around 25 kilometers from Shillong. It's a short scenic drive, perfect for a half-day trip from the city. Just like yesterday's route to Elephant Falls, this is the same road. But once you drive past Elephant Falls and go a bit farther, you will reach Mawphlong. हम बस Google Maps पे चलते गए and locals से भी पूछा. That's how we reached. Driving along these beautiful mountain roads feels unreal. The fresh air, the winding turns and the breathtaking views all around. In this moment, it's just me, the road and pure happiness. Finally, we reached. And here is the ticket counter. Entry, parking and guide charges कितने होते हैं टिकट पे है. You can pause and check it. And first, we stopped here at the viewpoint. Look at this view. From here, you can actually see how vast the sacred grove is. It spreads over approximately 83 hectares. Now you will see the parking area and just beside it is the help desk. यहाँ से local guides मिलते हैं and they explain everything about the forest. Before entering the forest, people read the instructions carefully. And this is important. Nothing can be taken from inside, not even a leaf, twig, pebble or anything. क्योंकि ये जगह बहुत sacred है और locals मानते हैं कि इस forest को एक deity protect करती है. This is not just a rule for tourists, ये लोगों की आस्था से जुड़ा हुआ है. Historically, this forest was an important spiritual site. For hundreds of years, it was used for rituals and ceremonies. The Khasi community worships a local deity known as Labasa, who is believed to protect this forest. In earlier times, animal sacrifices were offered here as part of ritual practices. Ancient monoliths still stand inside, silent witnesses to traditional rituals and gatherings. Today, those sacred ritual spots are restricted and filming is not allowed there, and we respected it completely. What makes this place even more special is its biodiversity. Rare plants, moss-covered trees, orchids, medicinal herbs, everything growing freely just the way it has for generations. It was not just sightseeing. It felt like understanding a culture, a belief system, and a deep respect for nature. और इसी के साथ this part of our Shillong journey ends here. Thanks for watching and wait for part 3.